Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start on your iPhone. Make sure it and your Apple Watch are paired, updated, and connected. Once done, open the Health app and tap Medications. This is the one-way path Apple provides for dosing rules. You'll add each drug here so data syncs to your watch. Enter exact medication name, dose, form, and scheduled times. Do this now because the watch mirrors those entries. This ensures reminders are precise and compliant with Apple's framework before you move to watch settings. Tap Add Medication and either type the exact name or scan the bottle barcode to avoid errors. Accuracy matters. Then set dose, frequency, and preferred time window. Choose morning, evening, or custom times. Add instructions like with food or split doses so alerts make sense. Make sure notifications for medications are enabled in health settings so alerts push to your watch. Once you save, the schedule syncs to Watch OS and populates the medication's complication if enabled. Open the Medications app on your watch to confirm the schedule synced. If you see entries, you're nearly done. Next, enable Medications in iPhone Right Arrow Watch app Right Arrow notifications and add a medication's complication to your watch face for quick access. If reminders don't arrive, make sure both devices have Do Not Disturb off, check Health app permission for notifications, and confirm Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connectivity. If syncing still fails, restart both devices and recheck the Health right.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.